Video eh. Bakal tiket.
Ano, hindi rin kasi ano.
That's 5 minutes.
Way up to the Shahid. Shahid is a Tlingit word for the mountain house. We are ascending 8, operated by Gold Belt Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation.
Wow.
We were built on August 10th, 1996, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice are the western hemlock, the Sitka spruce, and red alder. The Sitka spruce gets its name from a Tlingit island called Shiatakakat. It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp tines, but it is the largest spruce in the world, so fittingly, it's the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar-looking trees with the droopy tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils and combs. The red alder are the green leafy trees you see. Its uses include smoking salmon. After the summer harvest, much of the food was preserved and stored. As you venture down to the Sky Bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram Gifts. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery of genuine artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality works, or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Tram Gifts, you can pick up your souvenirs or a variety of other Juneau mementos. The Timberline Bar and Grill overlooks a beautiful view of the Gastineau Channel and the Inside Passage. You can enjoy tasty Alaska seafood featuring halibut and crab, as well as a large variety of beverages. Next to the restaurant, we have the Chilkat Theater with a complimentary film called Seeing Daylight. It's an award-winning documentary based on the Tlingit culture here in Southeast Alaska, and it features many local natives. It plays at the top and the bottom of the hour. It runs about 18 minutes. We have a tram car running every 5 to 10 minutes, so if you end up missing one, don't worry. It's a short wait. Once we reach the top, we will be unloading onto the Sky Bridge. The Sky Bridge has windows all the way around for you to enjoy the beautiful view. All that we ask is that you please don't put any of your valuable items outside of those windows, because if they drop, they're gone.
All right, as we come to a stop, these 2 doors in front of me, my exit will open.
Instagram. Wow. See? Ang lamig. Oh, shout out ka sa vlog ko. Ne. Manol. Gani, wajas nilo. Ay. May kuha na nga itong nga ano, sapatos. Sus. Dapat taga-hiking shoes, no? Nasa dito.
I'm not taking the chance knowing me will end up in it. Thank you.
Ano? May mag-trail ta. May ice mag-ready. Nan, sige. May ganun ako nagputi. Dapat nag-steel to na lang ko. Cellphone mo? Oh.
Sa Bukari.
May extension lang dyan, Maris, sa Subong. Pagaling ko. May bago naman silang hotel.
Oo. Ibig sabihin ni why na bankrupt na?
Wala. May kapital ako tani pa ako makuha sa mga unit eh. Wala kapital eh.
Ano ka?
Mga unit na mga aircon, bligya na. Wala pa kapital eh. Sunod ah. Yan, yan. Mga art nila, art. Si Juno niya, si Juno. Anak ko daw?
Ano din ba? Manog na ako.
Hindi ah, anak ko daw. Ang manog gamay eh. May tubig to. Ngita ta ka salmon. Di ba magkagos-agos ng tubig? Souvenirs. Pis. Ice cold siguro. Okay. Go. Ano? Masalit ta.
It's a hype yan.
Ikaw ang maslide. Ano? Wala. Subang ano matambling kita ka mag ano.
Na. Blang na ba?
Kwarta ni kwarta. Blurred na.
Hindi ka magambal ni. Ilang. Kaya ang sound ka nature lang. Hindi magambal tapos ako nagambal.
Gusto mo sabihin na?
Salmon.
Gusto mo sabihin na? Oh.
Ano sabihin?
Ang ruby. Gemstone. Gemstone oh. Paano ko ba? Baka mabulid-bulid ko. Gate. Oh. Bawal. Sige, okay. Yeah. It's okay. Dapat naka Colombia ka. Colombia na tweet. Dagli ang bunga namin.
Diyan?
Dito kayo, wala na sa ano? Wala na sa Iloilo. Oh.
Ano,
Wala na silang gagaho daw.
Naog na sila, kita lang daw bilhin.
Hindi ka pa kailangan.
Ay.
Ato na ni tanan. Singgit na rin.
Ang tagal ang buna mo.
Tagit lang.
Nakapalas ka lang eh. Palas ka. Hmm? Ano?
Kuan sa diin doon.
May kinsilyo ka man.
Guro dyan.
Sa ano?
Lagot guro. Video.
Gani. Pwede na ako maka ano. Signing up. Nuka na kami. Tapos na. Wala. Oh, turista. Oh. Aman sino na, may manopo daw. Ah, hibayang mo na. Teka nung bunong na.
Takisis mo mambat. Nangod lang yan eh. Tapin mo pa niya.